Today, we're fixing an issue you might have run into, scaling a clip with the border effect. If you've noticed that the border sticks to the edges of the frame instead of the actual clip, don't worry, there's an easy fix. First, apply the border effect to your clip. Now, when you try to scale the footage, you'll see that the border remains at the edges of the screen instead of staying around the clip itself. To fix this, simply right-click on the clip and select Create Compound Clip. This merges the clip and the effect into a single unit. Now, when you scale the compound clip, the border will move along with it correctly. This trick is super useful when resizing or animating clips while keeping the border intact, and that's it. A quick and simple fix for scaling issues with the border effect in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick editing tips.